The sun's shining. It's like 75 degrees. It's a perfect fall day. And I can't think of a better time than to have some tacos for dinner. Are you with me? Tacos are just, they're amazing. I mean, let's be honest. They're simply amazing. And they can be as easy or as difficult as you want them to be. Today, I'm going to show you an easy chicken taco recipe that is it's a go-to. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. Let's get started. A little cilantro. And a nice bell pepper. And a sweet yellow onion. I'm going to use chicken thighs because they're juicier, they have more flavor. Now if you wanted a little bit of a healthier version, use some chicken breasts. Just be careful that you don't dry them out when you're cooking. I think thighs is where it's at. I'm going to cut all this white mess, this white fat off, and then I'm going to cut them up into thin strips, kind of like diced. That way it'll cook nice and evenly as well as fast. This isn't as easy as it looks because they're so slimy. Careful that you have a nice sharp knife. You don't want to cut your fingers. Alright, now it's all about the flavor. To get that epic, wonderful, bold flavor, we're going to use this sweet barrel aged bourbon sauce. We're going to marinate these chicken pieces in this for about 4 to 5 hours. But we're not going to stop there. We're going to complement that with this rib rack spice rub, and you can find this in most grocery stores. It gives that chicken just a little bit of pop. Mixed with that sauce, it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna take a sandwich bag and I'm gonna put the chicken in, put the sauce and the rub in, swish it around, put it in the fridge. Keep in mind the top of this bag is dirty. It's had raw chicken all over it. So, I see too many people make that mistake. They'll touch a cabinet drawer, they'll touch the top of the bag. You gotta be very careful with that. If you get everyone really sick, you're gonna really regret that. So make sure you don't cross-contaminate. Make sure you give your sauce a good shake. A lot of times all the good stuff gets trapped on the bottom. Oh, it smells good, smoky. A little hint of bourbon in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Now if you just put the rub on top. Now I'm not done with this. Let me show you the secret ingredient. Now I know it's not technically a bourbon, it's a whiskey. However, this stuff is amazing to cook with. This stout edition, amazing flavor comes out of this. Some bourbon, some whiskeys, you don't really get any flavor at all out of them. You definitely get some good flavor out of this. So I'm going to put about 1.5 ounces in here. This alcohol is going to help break down the muscle fibers, making it nice and tender while giving it a nice, wonderful flavor. Do that, I don't know, I'm going to come back and do this about every half hour or so for about 4 hours. But got to go in the refrigerator. Got raw chicken in there, so got to keep it safe. can't wait to bite into this thing. Let's try it out. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Insane. It's like a quesadilla and a taco hooked up, came together, and then BAM! You need to try this out, trust me. Oh, that crunch. My son is gonna love this. I can't wait to give him a piece.